In this video, I'm going to be reviewing the Fanttik electric screwdriver toolkit, so stay tuned. So this is the Fanttik N100 NEX Studio electric screwdriver toolkit. This is exactly the same as the Fanttik S1 NEX Studio. They just did some rebranding a little bit, and they came out with a different set of names for their models, but this is identical to the S1. So let's take a look at it. So this is a toolkit that comes with an electric screwdriver inside and a hammer and those sorts of things. So let's see what's in here. So the way you open the case, you just take it and you push down on the handle, and then it releases the case and you can see what's inside. Kind of a neat little way to store it. Makes it a nice, nice to store. It's not that big and all that. So what we have inside is a utility knife. So this is a real nice utility knife that breaks off, but it's a nice solid version of this, and you could get replacement blades when this runs out. You get a tape measure. This tape measure, it's just your normal tape measure, nothing special about it. It's 5 meters long or 16 feet. So it's your standard tape measure. You get a set of hex keys. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10 of them that range between 1/16 of an inch all the way up to 3/8. So you get those hex keys. You get an adjustable wrench. It's your standard adjustable wrench. One thing I have to say about all this stuff though, the handle is very nice. Nice grippy handle, really nice to hold. So you get that adjustable wrench. You get this hammer. It's a fairly lightweight hammer, but it's nice. It's a claw hammer, so you can pull nails out with it. It also comes with this little rubber attachment that you can put on the end. That way, if you're tapping something that's a little more sensitive, you can use that. So another thing that this hammer has is it has this magnet up on top and this little area here, basically to store a nail. Now, I don't know what the real purpose of this is, if it's just to hold on to a nail until you're ready to pound it in, or if you can go ahead and start your nail one-handed. So let's give that a try. So if you had a board right here, I guess you could just take this and we got the nail started. You go ahead and tap it in the rest of the way. So I don't know. I don't know if that's what that's for, but that is one potential use for that. What it also comes with is a needle nose pliers that can act as a wire stripper, a crimper, and a wire cutter also. So again, very nice grippy handles. I really like the way those handles feel on this stuff. Then let's get to the electric screwdriver. So it's just a nice size. It's not overly bulky screwdriver. And what you have is 3 different torque settings on here. So you can adjust, how much torque you want it to have. So, and you just do that by twisting it. It has a light on the end. So when you push the button, you can see, what you're doing. And it comes with all these different bits. It doesn't come with a ton of them, but it comes with the most basic ones that you're going to need. A few different Phillips heads, a few different hex, or a couple different hex, a square, a few standard flat blade ones, and one of the most common size Torx bits. And it also comes with this bit extender. So you can stick this in here, take one of your bits, stick it in the end there, and you're off and running. This does charge using a USB-C connector, and right here it has the cord, if I can get it out, for charging it. So it comes with this USB cord. It's USB-A on one end, USB-C on the other. So that is how you charge the screwdriver. Now let's go ahead and give this screwdriver a test. Let's screw a couple of screws into this 2x4 I have here. Let's see how it does. So I'm going to first put it on torque setting number 1 on the lowest setting. And I'm going to take this screw here and let's see what happens. So let's get it started here. Oh, I hit the limit already for the lowest torque. I mean, it just got going, but it hit the limit. So let's go ahead and put it on number 2 and see how far it'll go in. Okay, so that made it a little bit further. Got a little more torque out of it. Let's set it on 3 and see what it does. So I don't want to go too far. I don't want to come out the bottom. But it looked like on setting 3, it was going to drive that screw, continually drive that screw all the way in. Here's another screw. It's a little bit bigger. Let's see how it does. So we're on torque setting number 3. Okay, so that one got part way in and it stopped. So we reached the torque of that on number 3, but it was going to continue to drive this in. Now, I don't think what you're going to be using this for is driving screws into a board without a pilot hole, but I just wanted to demonstrate, you know, basically how much torque this thing does have, and in case you're wondering, to see if it's going to meet your needs or not. And there you have it. Here is the Fanttik tool set, the N100 or the S1, depending on which one you purchase. Hopefully this review helped. This would be a great gift idea for somebody out there that just needs a basic tool set, or even for yourself if you need a second one or whatever. So I appreciate you watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you can, and we'll talk to you next time.